Nako he Mosotho motla hore re kene puisanong ya rona e golohadi ka jeno ke tla ke buisana mona le mohlankana wa kwana California ke USA Kailash Bromwell monna eno kapa mohlankana eno Mosotho motla ke sebini sentseng se le senyenyana haholo sa mmino wa reggae tla hore ke tle ke mo amoele re tsana pele le yena. Good morning and Jumela, Tsepo. Otherwise, Kailash, how are you this morning or evening from your side? My name is Tsepo. Welcome.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good.
Nice, yeah. It's the evening here for me.
Yeah, I see. You know, I'm delighted to host you this morning on MOAFRIKA Radio Television, the biggest radio station in the Mountain Kingdom. Could you please say hi to your fans here? Many have tuned in to listen to you and, of course, your remarkable story.
Of course. To all you out there, hello. My name is Kailash. I am a musician. I sing. I write, arrange, release, and produce and perform all my own music. And yeah, I'm still in school. I'm in 8th grade, which is for me the last grade before high school. And the school year started a few weeks ago, so that's doing well in school. But yeah, that's me.
Right. Thank you. Would you mind sharing a little bit of yourself as American Mosotho or vice versa?
Sure. So I just want to set the record straight here. I am not a pure Mosotho. I am at the age now where I want to get in touch with my roots and my heritage, and I am very proud to know that I have this link to Lesotho. But I am not a full pure-blooded Mosotho in any way. I'm learning about the culture, and I'm very proud to be a Mosotho.
Fantastic. I understand you're still at school. Now, how easy is it for you to do school and music, performing at international level all at once?
I try to balance school and music. People, like all my fellow peers, my friends at school, are starting to get into my music and start to enjoy it, and so that's been happening. But I try to keep school in school, focus on studies at school, and do music whenever I can.
Beautiful. Man, the youth from this side of the world find it difficult to combine talent and fame with schooling. What could be your word of encouragement or advice to them?
Say that one more time.
I'm just saying, the youth from this side of the world find it difficult to combine talent and fame with schooling. So what could be your word of encouragement to them?
I just say, I don't like to focus on the fame. I just try to, do the, create music that comes from the heart. And like I said, keep school, and studies in school. But I don't really focus on the fame. I just try to make music from my heart that resonates with me.
All right. From who in the family Have you drawn the talent and love of music to this extent?
Mostly with music. My dad is the one in the family that helps me out a lot with the music. My mom is a very good writer, so she helps with that. But in terms of like the music and the like creating music, my dad helps me out a lot with that.
Beautiful. You are known to be working with a plethora number of musical giants, amongst them the likes of Mr. Don Carlos. What can you say about them?
I met Don at a show in Santa Cruz, California, when I was 9, and since then I've played a lot of shows for like a year and like a bit more than a year with him, and he's taught me a lot about how to be a professional in terms of like being punctual, showing up on time, like having a good attitude. A lot of like all the musical interactions that I've had with Don are on stage. We don't really do a lot of we don't do any rehearsing off stage. But he has taught me a lot about being a professional in the industry in the performing business.
All right, my friend. Then what is the purpose for in some time, maybe sometime here in Lesotho in the future, and possibly collaborating with the local artist?
That's definitely very possible, and I want to do that. On my next trip to Lesotho, I definitely hope to perform some music here and definitely collaborate with some other local Lesotho artists. One group I really love listening to is Morena Leraba. I feel like they have a really, really cool sound, and so to be able to collaborate with them would be an honor.
Beautiful. We know that Kailash is a mountain in the Himalayas. How did you end up with the same name as the sacred mountain?
Yeah, my parents named me after that mountain. It has some spiritual significance, so that's why they named it after. They named me after it.
Beautiful. Would you mind MOAFRIKA Radio Television promoting your music, in particular, a Mosotho song?
Of course. I actually have a lot to say about Mosotho. On my most recent trip to Lesotho, which was May of this year, I had the inspiration to create a song sung in Lesotho. Now, I had the help of my malume Lekena, who is a writer, a poet, and a lover of prose. So he wrote the lyrics, and from there, since we were in a room in my grandmother's house, I didn't have any of my instruments with me. I was just like programming the beat on my iPad, like a little demo beat on my iPad. And so I recorded the song there. And once I got back home, I started like building the track professionally. I had people come in like Grammy-winning guitarist Cubics, Troy Sims from Subatomic Sound System, who's played with Lee Perry. He played saxophone. I had Jeremy Red Lion Gray on drums and Spliff McQueen on bass. And one thing that I'm really excited about this track is that it was mixed and mastered by the legendary Jamaican engineer Scientist. And if you don't know him, he was like rubbing elbows with King Tubby and Prince Jammy. He was at the forefront of reggae and dub when it was in its original phase. He was one of the originators of reggae and dub. And so to have him mixing this track, I feel really grateful.
Wow. Thank you so much, my brother. Would you mind introducing the song Mosotho now?
You want me to?
Oh, by the way, people from Leribe were not Tsepo, where you are rooted, are called Dinari, green buffaloes, if you like. Oh yeah, you can carry on. Introduce the song, Mosotho.
Should I do you want me to sing it or just because it's dropping in a few hours. It'll be available on all digital platforms in just a few hours. So be on the lookout for that. And be ready.
No, you can just sing a bit, you know. You can just sing a bit.
Okay. So you said just sing a bit?
Yes.
All right. Wait, no, they won.
Yes, carry on when Kailash sing.
Okay. Kimu sutu asibele, ntuina ketachisa jwalo kabibele, ke motlan kanwale ke jake jane oa, ke twa Mookho wa Afrika. Just a little bit of the song.
Wow, that's beautiful. We're not Tsepo. Fantastic. Thank you so much. I know it's almost bedtime as you have to be in school tomorrow. Pass our greetings to your father, Ntate Mark there, and the family as well. Thank you so much for talking with us today. Thank you so much, Ntate.
Of course, it's been an honor to be on this show. So thank you.
Tsepo. Hello?
Hello.
Tsepo?
Yes?
Oh, would you mind to speak with maybe 2 or 3 of our listeners here?
I had a question. Are we gonna listen to the track now?
No. Just to take maybe 2 or 3 listeners to speak with you here on air.
Oh, sure.
Right, thank you.
Yeah,
Mamedi.
I'd be...
Right, beautiful. Mamedi, Baba Rufela, Baka Otang, Le Musankana Inam, Kailash, Brumwell, ke mohlankana eo metsi ya hae e leng Lesotho mona he mo mamedi o utlwa ka mo a hlalosang ka teng ntate wa hae ile ba le tshutshumetso e kgolo lerato la hae la reggae bjale kore re ke re utlwa rena o ka reng ho yena ba babedi ba bararo pedi nngwe robong tharo pedi nngwe tshelela nne ba tle ba bua sekgowa ba kena bona ntate ba tle ba bua Seesemane pedi nngwe robong tharo pedi nngwe tshelela nne bontate phakwe ke utlwa le tlele la fela Seesemane ke ena ha nako ya hore le tlele o tla ka Seesemane bontate ha re re utlwa rena le ka reng ho mohlankana enwa re ke tse tjena fela mo mamedi khotso Ntate Mshasha.
I just want to congratulate the young man. The only thing I like about him is that he's not ashamed to other side of the world. Most of the people here at home, more especially the youth, are very much negative about being the Basotho. And I like that because the young man is not grown or born from here, but he still tell the whole world that he is really a Mosotho. Keep it up, young man. Thank you.
Thank you, Ntate Msheshe. Did you hear him, Kailash?
Yes, I did.
All right, thank you so much. Just congratulating you there. Mameri Khoto. Right? Rentseria he Mosotho motle rea ya. E mong hape nke kutle. Mo mamedi dumela. Mo mamedi Khoto. Ha. Etsa jwana pedi nngwe robong atharo pedi nngwe tshelela nne re ke rutlo rena mantswe hao Mosotho motle e ka ba afeng ho mohlankana eno Ntate go tsa moshwetsho re ka nnete o mothabetse monna eno le ho ja he a sa hlaela kwano Afrika fela ke motho ya batlang hore a kgutlele metheho le metsong ya hae ebile ha a tshabisi ha a gogobise hore ebe ke Mosotho. Mo mabedi dumela. Are ya Ntate ga nkga butshela Ntate tshela. Are ya Ntate?
Well, this is my first time to speak in English on this radio station. Yeah, but we are grateful that Tsepo is our guest this morning. This is a very, very happy morning.
Yes, Ntate.
Yes, but my question to him is, where did you study music, Tsepo? Have you studied music in a classroom? I hope my question is clear.
Yes, Ntate, let's hope so.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ntate. You're welcome. Tsepo, did you hear the question?
Yeah. Can you say it one more time?
Did you study music? Where did you study music?
I started, well, I got my first keyboard at 2 and I started taking piano lessons formally at 3. But music has like always been with me since the beginning. And so I started, like I kind of started tapping into that at like around 2 to 3 years old.
Right. Beautiful. Another lesson here. Pedi nngwe, robong tharo, pedi nngwe, tshelela nne. I think this will be the last one when I say Tsepo. Khoto. Tshela abuti Tsepo, are tshela Ntate.
Yes, my name is Clement.
Oh, Clement.
From Hamabote. I also want to, well, it's my first time to talk to MOAFRIKA FM, and then I was very happy to hear that you are going to invite you have a visitor from America who has the roots here in Lesotho. So I had a very passion of music at a very young age, but based on our background here in Lesotho, I found it difficult to combine it with school. So now I'm still a student, but I am about 30 years of age. So my question to Brother Tsepo is, how is it possible that maybe for the next 10 years of my life, I can be able to relearn keyboard, learn guitars, and then pursue music? And then how is it possible that one day, if I can make it in the United States of America, I can become excellent in music and then feature great artists? For example, we have great artists like Chris Brown, like Drake, like Rihanna, so many of them. How is it possible that I can be excellent at his age in music? Otherwise, I love him, and then I'm happy to hear that he's a Mosotho, and I will support his music. Thank you very much.
Right, thank you. Hello, Tsepo, did you hear him?
Can you say what he said?
No, he's just happy that you are Mosotho born, and he just want to hear if it's possible for him to come there, feature the biggest artist there from that side. He is 30 years now. Is it possible? Will it be possible for him to learn guitar, piano, and all the stuff at his age?
I mean, I think that's definitely possible. Yeah, I mean, I feel like it's never too late to start learning like music and instruments. So yeah, that's definitely possible. All
right. Thank you so much. We shall play the song at the end of this interview to promote that song, Mosotho song. What will you want to be in the future? Musician? What do you actually want to be?
I will definitely, as far as my perspective is right now, I'm definitely going to be doing something with music. In terms of like what genre, what style, time will definitely tell. I do have new music coming up after Mosotho. I'm working on album number 2 since I have already released an album called Across the Ocean. But I'm working on a second album that's going to come out sometime in next year in 2025. But there's definitely new reggae music that's coming. So stay on the lookout for that.
Right. Thank you so much for speaking with us today. And of course, good luck. Thank you so much, Ntate.
Thank you. It was a pleasure being here.
Right. Thank you. Momamedi, Ntate Pule. Kiartle Ramkhaula, Mosotho motle, jwale re a khutla, re khutlela lapeng. Ba bua sekgowa kana. Ba bua sekgowa, chief. Mogana mogolwane, a khona o lokela o go hlaisa mandano wa senyesemane mona. I can't Ntate. Ha re se re tshwanela o go tla mona. Re se lata hole senyesemane sena re se lata hole. Mosotho motle, re sa tswa buisana mona le Kailash. Brumwell ke mohlankana Mosotho motle ya hlahetseng kwana California ke USA mohlankana ya ntseng a le monyenyana haholo dilemong o dilemo di le 13 Mosotho motle wa utlwa hore o ile a qala ho ba le lerato la mmino reggae ho tloha dilemong tsane tse pedi o ne a mamela ha ntate wa hae a mametse reggae haholo. Mosotho motle ya ke tloletsetsa mento mona ke tle fela ka bogutshwane fela chief ke tle ke re fela ka bogutshwane Ntate hona le ba sa utlwa ngwa tseba gona ntse ge Basotho mo se re tsa bona empa ha ka bogutshwane fela Mosotho motle ke hore lerato la mmino o ile a le nyanya ka lapeng ntate wa hae o ne a mamela reggae haholo jwale ke yena ile nga hla mo susumetsa hore abe le lerato lena la reggae. Kailash hara di katla tsa gore o binne le mekaubere e mongwa mekaubere wa reggae Jamaica Don Carlos ka selemo sane sa dikete tse 2020 a di dilemo di robong fela jwale ka jeno ihe o ne a ntsha pina ena o tlo e utlwa Mosotho motle khatlo la pele Lesotho mona pina ena haella ho bona kwana e tlatswa ke gola di horentse ka bantse ka mogana mogolwane tse robedi ke gola tse tlang ke hona e tlabe e tswa pina ena se tlabolane sena se bitswang ke Mosotho ke yona pina eo mme he ke tsona tseo ka bokhutsana Mosotho motle nka rata o qota mona bele ke lokela hore ke fete ke nke mme matotliso mona Mosotho motle ke tsona tseo re fetile.